How to screen share on Snapchat on Android. First of all, open the Snapchat app and swipe right to go to your chat tab. Now choose the person you want to share your screen with and open the chat. In the chat window, tap the video camera icon at the top right corner to start a video call. Once the person picks up the call, you will see some options appear on the screen or a three lines icon. Tap on it. Look for the screen share option. Tap on it. Tap on Start Now. Your entire screen will now be visible to the other person on the call. Now you can leave the Snapchat app and open any other app or screen you want to show. The other person will see exactly what you are doing in real time. To stop screen sharing, just tap on Stop Sharing or something like that you see on your screen. And that's how easy it is to share screen on Snapchat. Just make sure you are only sharing what you are comfortable showing, since everything on your screen will be visible during the session. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.